Oklahoma City. Listen.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in